So welcome to this particular tutorial, and in this particular tutorial I am going to discuss how to record the attendance in the Google Meet. So first of all, for recording the attendance in Google Meet, you have to go to Chrome Web Store, and from that Chrome Web Store download one extension, that is Meet Attendance. Meet Attendance. So this is the Meet Attendance extension. You have to add to Chrome. Click on this. So it will ask add extension. Okay, now it is added. So you can pin this particular extension. So this particular extension will be enabled or have access for the Google Meet, and whenever it is in the other website, at that time it is in off state. If you are in the Google Meet, at that time it is on state. Now after that, after adding this extension, that is Meet Attendance, now I will show you how to record the attendance. So click on Start a Meeting. So it is getting ready. So click on Join Now. So you can set this information for joining the people. Here you will find the number of people or number of participants. So click on this. At first time you are getting this checkbox on. So there are four options. This is 1, 2nd, 3rd and 4th. First option is adding sheet into the spreadsheet. So this is nothing but creating new spreadsheet. I want to create new spreadsheet. So click on this. So this spreadsheet will be created into Google Drive, your Google Drive. Here you will find this Meet Attendance, that is this particular sheet is created. This sheet is created by creating a new sheet. So there are 1 and 2 sheets, sheet 1 and attendance. If you click on this one, then one more sheet will be added. This is the one more sheet into the spreadsheet. If you want another spreadsheet, then you can click on this. So in the drive you will find one more spreadsheet. So this is the spreadsheet, one more spreadsheet created. One more spreadsheet created. Now in terms of spreadsheet, you can have the attendance. Now you can close this. If suppose I want to take this attendance after some time, I will click on this and I will take attendance. This is on. So next time on. So I have taken many times this particular attendance. So you can check into the spreadsheet. 3 times I have taken the attendance. So you are finding only one member because there is only one member. If the number of members are more, then you will get the number of members into this particular list, and you will find who has attended at what time. If suppose I have taken at 4 o'clock, then there are 10 students. If I have taken at 4:30, then there are only 8. Then you can find there are 2 students missing, they have not attended and they left in between. So this is nothing but the way how you can record the attendance. So this particular button is for scrolling on. So using Meet Attendance, you can record the attendance into Zoom. Thank you for watching this particular tutorial.